Took a pill in Ibiza to show Fiji I was cool. When I finally got sober, I would take.
How to identify and dismantle hoax in social media. Here are several steps that we can use to identify and dismantle the information that considered as hoax. First, consider the source to understand its missing purpose. Second, read beyond the headline to understand the whole history. Third, check the authors to see if they are real and credible. Fourth, assess the supporting sources to ensure they support the claims. Fifth, check the date of publications to see if the story is relevant and up to date. Sixth, ask if it is a joke to determine if it is meant to be satire. 7. Ask experts to get confirmation from independent people with knowledge. Here is an example of hoax or fake news.
Cause as soon as the sun comes up, I cut them all loose and works my excuse. But the truth is I can't open up.
The article above considered as hoax based on identification and investigation from the diagram of International Federation of Library Investigation (FAA). It is in accuracy, comprehensible, and completeness. Following is the example of non-hoax information.
Stuck up on it, so come on, let it go. Just let it be.
After using IFLA diagram to identify and investigate the article above, I consider as non-hoax or fake for zero, because this article is complete, accuracy, relevance to the web page, and up to date. Suggest for netizens to anticipate and dismantle hoax in social media. Be careful when someone shares you information in your email, Facebook, and others. You have to identify and investigate the website, web page, authors, and the date of publication before you try to log in. Thanks for watching. ICT Literasi, no hoax.
I'm living out in LA.